Ladybugs, Sparklers, and Poopy Doogle. 4/27/27.
What's a Poopy Doogle?
I don't even know. I had to listen to that a few times, but when he said the price, I'm thinking to myself, it's America's birthday. It only comes around once a year, like all of our birthdays do. You just got to go all in. And if you don't have the money, put it on a credit card. If it's not your credit card, find someone's and
debt. It's the American way.
Yeah. And blow stuff up. It's what you do when you're in debt. Blow everything up.